It's going to be a scorcher this summer, so I can't believe I found this great car fan on AliExpress for just a few bucks. I'll unbox it and give it a full test in this video, and I've applied for an exclusive fan price that you can get with the discount code at the end. Don't miss the opportunity to get this SEAMETAL dual head car fan before the summer really heats up, as this price probably won't last long. Opening the box, we see this dual head unit provides two adjustable fans. It was well packaged in a sturdy box, keeping everything safe during shipping. And the components were enclosed in protective dust bags. Although the unit is pretty intuitive, SEAMETAL includes a small user manual sheet. This specific model is the clip-on version, which keeps everything stable on headrests, compared to suction cup alternatives. It is shipped in two pieces. The first piece is the headrest arm, with one end that rotates for maximum adjustability. The other end is the clip that opens up and clips shut, holding it securely to a headrest rod. The second piece is the dual head fan. With it out of the bag, we see it is powered by a standard USB-A cable. While fairly lightweight and made of plastic, the build feels solid and durable. The fan heads adjust easily, with enough tension to stay in place, and the design enables each to move independently, allowing you to point each one to direct airflow exactly where needed. Assembly is simple. You merely push the headrest arm ball joint into the socket of the main fan body. And once seated, there is a threaded plastic nut that screws down to hold everything in place. And that is pretty much it. The red button between both fans controls both power and speed. Now, let's give this fan a test run. As mentioned, this fan is powered by a USB-A power source, so you will need one in your car. Once plugged in, you merely press the power button and the fan turns on. It is important to note, this fan does not have a battery, so it needs to be plugged in at all times to operate. The cord is about 5 feet long, which is enough to reach the back of the front seat easily, but if you are trying to reach a third row, you might need a power source closer to the back of the car. Mounting is fairly easy. Merely put the clip around the headrest rod and lock into place. Once mounted, the fans adjust easily, and we click on the power button to turn it on. Dual fans are nice, as you can point them at different passengers in the back seat. The fan helps circulate stronger air conditioning from the front of the car to the rear. Speed 1 is nearly silent, and there are 3 different speeds. You cycle through them by merely clicking on the power button again. This is medium, and one more click goes to high. While some find it a bit noisy at this level, you really get a nice strong breeze. And one more click turns it off. Search code AY4GBB on AliExpress right now and use my exclusive discount code for up to 14% off, or just tap the link in the description for our exclusive discount price.